Welcome to day 15 of Strength, 30 Days of Tai Chi Daily Exercises. So this is the traditional strength training exercise portion of the program. Remember to also watch the Tai Chi portion, which is a video that you can get by clicking on the link below in the video description to get all of the classes, including the daily Tai Chi and strength training exercises. All right, so today's call is shoulder extensions. All right, so we're continuing with building strength of the shoulders. And so far we worked the sides, the front. Now we got to work the back of the shoulders. All right, and so for this one, I'll show you from the side. We're going to start off with the feet shoulder width or hip width apart, knees slightly bent so that you're not locked out. Nice and tall. You can even squeeze your glute, your butt muscles. That'll protect your low back, especially if you have back issues. I'm going to make two loose fists, or two fists. You can give them a little tighter now if you want. And we want to have what's called the neutral grip. Okay, so overhand is when the palms are facing behind you. Underhand was as if they were facing forward. Neutral is they're facing each other. All right, so with the neutral grip, we're gonna keep the elbow straight. We'll start off with this one here, and we're just gonna lift the arm behind. All right, now notice how when I do it, my body is not moving. All right, so I'm not leaning to get it higher, and I'm not going backwards. I guess I don't know if anyone would do that, but we just don't want to do that as well. So stay nice and tall. Remember to contract your glutes if you need to. That can keep you more steady, and then just lift the arm behind you. All right, it might not go very high, and that's okay. Just make note. Say, oh, it goes to here. You might find over the days, weeks, or months, it gets higher and higher, and can actually help to clear up shoulder issues for some people. All right, so we often don't do this motion, but this is what a lot of people actually need to clear up shoulder tightness and sometimes even pain. All right, so let's do the other side. So same thing, feet shoulder width apart, knees slightly bent, nice and tall, squeeze the glutes, neutral grip, elbow straight, and then breathe out as you lift. Breathe in, come back. Breathe out. All right, once again, try not to move the torso, look straight ahead, or you can look in a mirror too, make sure your body's okay. All right, and so that's the exercise. And you can also do it with dumbbells, wrist weights, or whatever other weight you might have. Soup cans, you can use water bottles, you can get creative. All right, and so I'll show you with dumbbells that I like to use. All right, so these are 1 pound dumbbells, so these are a good option. And so once again, you can see neutral grip. All right, remember overhand, underhand, this is neutral. All right, so let's do it all together. You can do it with no weight, especially if you're not used to this one, just do it with no weight. But if you're used to it or you're a pretty avid weightlifter, then you can start off with some weight. All right, and then we'll do 10 repetitions on each side, one side at a time. All right, and we'll start in the beginning position, and then we'll begin. So remember to breathe out as you lift. Ready, go. 1, 2, breathe in, breathe out. 3, breathe in, breathe out. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, remember you can stop short of 10 if you need to. Listen to your body and don't move into the pain. If you have pain, then just don't go as high. And then if it still hurts, you might want to get it checked out by a physical therapist. All right, let's do the other side. Ready and begin. Breathe out for 1, breathe in. Breathe out 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, looking straight ahead, nice and tall. 7, squeeze the glutes if you need to. 8, don't lock out the knees. 9, and 10. All right, and so for this one, I wouldn't recommend doing them both at the same time. I guess you could, but I always like to do them one at a time because for most people, it's going to be uneven. A lot of people have tightness in the shoulders unless you're just used to stretching them daily, which most people don't. So I would say most people have a little bit of an imbalance, so just do them one at a time. And then if after weeks or months you're like, okay, I think I'm good, then you can do them both together. But it's really easy. If you do them both together, it's really easy to cheat by mistake. And so it's better to do this one specifically just one arm at a time. That would be my recommendation. So don't do more than 10 reps at first, and then see how you feel the next day. Remember, if you get sore, take a day off. All right, you can always increase weight the next time if you're like, oh, that was easy, no soreness, didn't feel like it did much, then it's time to add some weight. And so you want to add enough to where you can do 10 reps, all right, to where you feel a little bit of a challenge at the end. That's going to be helpful. All right, well, let me know if this is something that is either helping you or has helped you in the past. And any other questions that you might have, type them in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.